last week's class was that of all the characters you've met so far, which of them do you think are most like you? Explain fully. So you said that you are most like Grover. Okay, you're most like Grover. And let's discuss what kind of personality traits does Grover have? And how is that like you? And for you, how is that part being worried? How is that similar to you, Jaden?
I feel very insecure, and
you feel very insecure. Oh no, what do you about your future?
Yeah.
Okay, in what aspects?
And also, like, I really are scared of kidnappers.
Oh, you're scared of kidnappers?
Yes. So whenever I see like person who is like kind of strange, like just like Grover, who can like feel the evil sinister.
Oh, that evil sinister nature. Yeah, I guess he does have that sense of he's very skeptical and doubtful too.
Yeah.
How do you think the oracle will come true for Percy? How will I be betrayed by a friend? How will he be betrayed by a friend? Okay. What happens? Oh, what does it mean? He will fail to save what matters the most in the end. Okay, so he thinks that, remember, what do you remember about, what did the oracle say, the prophecy?
It said that, like,
he said that he will be betrayed.
Do not trust your closest friend.
Right, do not trust your closest friend, right?
Go to the west, like east side, was it west?
Go to the west, yes.
And third is so what was the third one?
The oracle is that he will be betrayed by like the one you. He will fail to save what it says in the question. He will fail to save what matters the most in the end. So let's take a look at this. Here, next one was write a fictional essay describing your arrival. And I don't think you were able to write this. What would you have thought of your identity before you arrived in Camp Half-Blood? Who would you have thought your mom was?
My real mom.
Your real mom. Okay, your real mom.
Maybe I was an orphan or something like that.
Okay, maybe you could have been no real mom. Maybe you could have had a human, quote unquote.
Or like stepmother or stepfather.
Yeah, human. Yeah, I guess it's because it's Athena. Human stepmother. And you know how there were clues in the story that told us that were hints. There were foreshadowing of the fact that Percy was the son of Poseidon. Let's say if he were theoretically the son of Athena, what would be some hints that you might reveal to the readers that you could have been before you directly told them?
Extraordinarily fast.
How would you be fast, like speed?
Like on calculation.
Oh, like thinking. So like very super intelligent thinking skills. Discuss some of the chapter questions here. So we have to, in chapter 15, they actually meet Ares. A god buys us cheeseburgers. So Ares ends up meeting Ares. And then, and another thing that's interesting is, do you remember iris messaging? It's kind of like iMessaging.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the goddess. I don't know if you've heard of. So this is another way that the author. I'm always impressed by this, but the author is able to in a way, the author is able to change the ancient Greek myths and put like modern twists to it. So there is a goddess named Iris. She's the goddess of messenger. So in a way, it's very like he's very distinctively human. Distinctively human. But he's still a god at the same time. And he still commands respect, and he still gains respect and reverence from other humans. And when they meet, so it's very interesting. So another thing that I want to ask you is if you had to modernize a god, so for example, what do you think like Zeus would look like or Poseidon would look like in the modernized version? We do see a lot of pictures of them in the Greek mythology version, but how do you think they would look in the
I think
modernized?
Zeus will carry 전기뱀장어.
Zeus will carry, but 장기뱀장어, the eel, the electric eel, also lives in the ocean. Wouldn't that be like a mashup, mishmash of both Poseidon and Zeus?
I think like Poseidon will have a costume of a sushi restaurant.
A sushi restaurant. No, but Poseidon's supposed to like fish. He's not supposed to kill fish.